Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, and welcome to another Sunday morning vibes. Yeah, you know that kind of vibes, you know, when we bring to you, where it's going to show off gospel music, you know, our church, or you know, it's going to show something with Jamaica culture and all these things. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah. No, I have another video for you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, yeah, I have another video. You know, that video is going to show off police officers singing within a church. Is what I'm saying to you, and I'm talking about like it's a choir-like thing, you know. But you know, they're singing in the church and they're police officers. You get the idea, and I'll soon show you that video. But right about now, viewers and subscribers, I want to talk about this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, this video, you know, really and truly, it's all about the instrumental me I talk about right about now. You see me? Now, this video shows up persons, you know, in a gathering. Is what I'm saying to you, and you can see two persons dancing together and you know, enjoying themselves. And you see the kind of dance what them do to really nice dancing, you know, not the one where people, you know, I do them exotic thing and so. No, just some nice dancing and so. Alright, but the instrumental, viewers and subscribers, the way how the instrumental are clap, the way how me hear the thing the pan, and then I hear the percussion the pan. Yo, me I tell the viewers and subscribers, yo, some of the time I don't even know how to tell about some of them vibes. Because me I tell them, I like them vibes there. You see me? It's just a pity that most of the times whenever them vibes are come around, it's always a some form of night and them thing there. You know, it's like really and truly, you know, some of the times I wish these things could have just play just like one normal dancehall would have go. You know, you go on a dancehall and say a dancehall, you go on a desk, you go. Yeah, you see me? No, don't get me wrong, you know, you have places out there where keep events for these kind of cultural music for Jamaica and so on. You know? So what I'm saying to you, so yes, you have times when events keep and it's just these kinds of original Jamaican cultural music played there. You know? Is what I'm saying to you, but in my point of view, or to my knowledge, it's not so often. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Yeah, but I like them, you know. I just wish that these things would have come around more often. Not by no night settings. No, me I talk about like just for the happy vibes, right? You see it? Don't get me wrong, you know, viewers and subscribers. Me like other music as well too, you know. You see me? Me like almost every music that is out there, you know. Me will spend time to listen these kind of music and so forth. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, but you know, right about now we just talk about this kind of music, you know, which is a part of Jamaica culture. And I just like the vibes. I like how it's exciting, not kinda, it is exciting. That's what I'm saying to you. I like it. That's what I'm saying to you, yeah. So don't get me wrong, I like other music as well, but you know, you have a time for certain music, for certain vibes. It depends on the vibes you're in. You see it? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers, you know. And this video is going to show a police officers and they're singing. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, they are singing, and it is said that they're inside of a church singing. You see what I'm saying to you? And I like this video. You know what I mean? Yeah. And some persons on social media, you know, seems to like this video as well, you know. And I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You know, you can tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah. And you can also tell me what you think about the first video as well. Yes, what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and this is where I'm going to leave it, and I'm leaving the video with you that I said shows of the police officer singing. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Alright, and here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
You are in there, the Lord save me. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.